Have you ever downloaded information from an application into Excel and it was a large data table, or someone sent you an email with an Excel workbook attached? You open it up and whoa, there's this huge data table, and you think to yourself, well, now what? Well, that's where I come in. This Friday, August the 14th, we're going to learn how to manage and manipulate big data in Excel. I'm going to teach you lots of tips and tricks and shortcuts in working with the data table like this. Watch, I'm going to click inside of my table. I'm not going to click and drag to select the table. All I'm going to do is do Control A. Watch, Control A magically selects my table. Now, if I'm not clicked inside of my table, if I click over here, watch when I do Control A, it selects my entire worksheet. So it's like using the Select All button. But if I click inside of my table, I do Control A. Look, Excel is smart enough to see the structure of my table. So it selects my table. No more click and drag to select the data table in Excel. We'll also work with Format as a table. So I'm going to click inside of my table, and then on your Home tab, you will see Format as a Table. Look at all the beautiful styles I have. Well, I'm in a blue mood today, so I'm going to choose beautiful blue. And now look at how beautiful my table becomes. There's lots of cool tricks with using Format as a Table. Watch this one. Notice as I scroll down what happens to my traditional column headers of A, B, C, D, and so on. Look, they become the field names or the column headers in my data table. So you don't have to use freeze pane so much with Format as a Table. So it's filled with all kinds of cool tricks that we'll learn. We're also going to learn how to manipulate our data with using filters. We'll save our filters to act as a query. We'll work with all kinds of sorting in Excel. We'll learn functions like concatenate, left and right, to help our data to present itself in a better manner with using some cool and powerful and easy functions in Excel in our data tables. So get ready to learn how to manage and manipulate data effectively and efficiently using my class. This falls underneath my LOL training program, where all for $29.99 you get the live Zoom webinar this Friday from 10 until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You get your PDF manual that you can download and print and view. You also get practice files, and you get a certificate of achievement. So put on those data hats and get ready to enjoy using Excel's large data tables. So let me lift you out of Excel hell with all of this data, and let's make sense of it. Thank you.